Upalana and I are taking up the Whisper Challenge.
Calm down, Komal.
So you guys must know that about 8 months ago, oh my god, this was our first challenge video. Cherry and I did this together, and now I'm sitting here doing this again with Upalana, who is going to be a tough competition. So Upalana, you want to tell them the rules once more?
So basically, we're going to have, one of us will have the headphones on with booming music in it, and the other person's going to lip sync a song, like the first line of it, and the person with the headphones on has to guess it.
So both of us will have 5 songs each to guess. Whoever guesses the maximum number of songs wins the challenge. Alright, cool. So who's gonna go first?
I'll go first.
Cool. So Palana, here are your earphones. Palana, what song would you like to hear? Listen, my playlist is all like Bollywood.
So it's fine. So the idea is just to block basically I shouldn't be able to hear it. So it doesn't matter, Komal. You can play anything. Something bearable. Yeah?
Something bearable, of course. This one's a famous one. I'm pretty sure you'll love it. Wait, I'll just forward it a little because I don't know if she can hear me. It's the initial bit. Okay. Hi, Upalana.
Dil dhak dhak karne laga.
One last chance. Exact. Okay. Dhak dhak karne laga.
Dhak dhak karne laga.
You got it.
She's so nice. You said it so nicely. I was like, the moment she's like, dhak, I was like, dhak, dhak.
Okay, so song number 2 for Upalana now then.
Oh, acha, we do it then. Cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Awesome. Upalana, you've got 2 right. Woohoo! Okay.
The first one, from the moment you said, I kind of lost it. I was like, what?
Cool. I've changed the song. This is the 3rd song for Upalana. Okay. Mar dala, mar dala,
Mar dala.
I think I'm giving her really easy ones. I'm gonna go tough now. Okay. 4th. Cool.
Bad blood.
She's enjoying the song.
You're playing such nice music. It's so distracting, guys.
That's the idea. Jaane man tere do nayan chori chori leke gaye. Once more. Jaane man tere do nayan chori chori leke gaye.
Jhalmal jhalmal karti tu.
Yay! Finally, I got her into a fix.
What was it?
Jaane man
Oh,
tere do nayan.
I don't know. I was like, jhalmal.
You know the song though, right? Okay, so Upalana, the score right now is 3. You've guessed 3 out of 5. This is the last song, okay?
I wanted to get a full score. I'll get all 5 right.
That you're not gonna get, okay. So, this is your next song. Dhoom ta na ta dum ta na 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 dhoom ta na.
Dhoom ta na 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 dhoom ta na 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 na. You know?
Somewhat. You wanna try once more?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Dhoom ta na ta dum ta na 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 dhoom ta na ta dum ta na 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 na.
Dhoom ta na ta dum ta na na. That you're doing?
Yeah.
What song is this?
Yeah. You know the one from Om Shanti Om. Dhoom ta na ta dum ta na na.
I got the word Dhoom ta na ta dum ta na. And I couldn't Gana kaun sa hai?
Not bad, Upalana. 4 on 5. That's a very tough score to beat. But let's see.
You will also be very good, yeah.
Let's see. Okay, Upalana, here you go.
So finally, guys, I got 4 right. Let's see how many you get.
I need to get all 5 right to win this game. And if I get 4 right, then it's a tie. Then we'll have a tiebreaker.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, God bless me.
I have thought of one song. Uske baad I'll have to think.
Just at least play a nice song if I'm not able to guess.
The volume's full, right? Komal, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Is she saying the song? What?
No. I haven't started.
Okay.
Now I'm starting.
Okay.
Roop tera mastana, pyar mera. Look at me. How will you get it? Look at me.
I think I know it.
Haan.
I can make out Mastana.
You want me to do it second time?
Okay, just one last chance.
Yeah. Roop tera mastana.
I got it. Roop tera Mastana, pyar mera deewana. Got it.
Okay. I'm telling you, she's gonna give me such a tough competition. I'm scared. I know. I don't like this.
Thanks, you're very distracting, huh? Nice.
Oh, like you weren't playing the nice ones, no? Ladki kar gayi chul. Beautiful.
In your mouth.
Ladki kar gayi chul. Okay, I'll sing it second time.
Okay.
Ladki kar gayi chul.
I don't know.
Ladki kar gayi chul.
Oh shit! I just played that song for her.
I couldn't think of anything. She played it for me. I was like, "Ye ga dete."
Oh damn! Great, I've lost one. If I lose one more, she's won the challenge.
Okay, this one.
Smart again.
मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
You just said breakup, so I'm assuming मेरे सैया जी से आज.
ठीक है, she got it. How you get it? You get it.
Yeah, girls would always get that word breakup. Okay. Yeah, what breakup?
Oh God, emotions. So we're done with 3 songs. 4th.
Okay.
मैं तेरा boyfriend, तू
I
मेरी
just heard
girlfriend.
boyfriend. मैं तेरा boyfriend, तू मेरी girlfriend.
Okay, I have to stop singing songs with English words in it. This is my last song. She can't get it. No ties happening here.
Okay.
Kashmir तू मैं कन्याकुमारी. Okay, I'll sing it again. The second time.
Okay.
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी.
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी. Oh yeah. Okay, one last song. If I guess it right, then we'll have to
No,
have a.
this was the 5th song.
This is the 5th song.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh wow, I guessed
So it's
4
4 all,
right.
yeah.
So it's 4 all. So we're gonna have a tiebreaker now.
So it's a tie, and as he said, we'll have a tiebreaker. If it's a tie, Komal, tell them what the tiebreaker is.
So Upalina and I will do the same thing again, and we'll just make it a little more difficult. You'll just get one chance to guess the song. That's it. Okay, cool. No worry, I won't keep it so difficult since
It's just one.
it's just one. Yeah. Wait. भीगी सी, भागी सी, मेरे बाजुओं में समाई.
मेरी बाहों में समाए.
Guess more.
मेरे बाहों में समाए. Did I hear that right?
Little.
मेरे बाहों में समाए. मेरी बाहों में.
You don't know the song? भीगी सी, भागी सी, मेरे बाजुओं में समाई.
You just acted like Cherry and gave me some really ridiculous.
What? It's not a ridiculous song. It's a very famous song from Rajneeti. Okay, you can give me another song like that again. Okay?
I thought of the song.
Oh.
No, it's easy only because I
Palna
can't
is
sing.
savage now.
वो जद तेरा लख हिलदा तो बुरा हाल होया दिल दा.
What just
Okay,
happened? I have no clue. And I know I have
This
no.
was a suggestion from a crew member, a very, very close friend of Komal, by the way.
What just happened? I have no clue.
Arjun, the evil mind behind it. You want to try?
Okay, I know I've lost it, but I could just figure out like OG. What O? Like O.
ओ जदू तेरा लख हिलदा.
What the hell? I don't listen to Punjabi music. What is this?
This is Hindi. Move your lakh, baby. Move your lakh, baby. That's Arjun's. Listen, this is Arjun's choice. Please don't judge
No,
me.
it's a tie, right? Again, it's a tie again.
Okay, I don't know what to do. Either we call it a tie because we both are really good and
Yeah.
bad.
So we tried. The tie is not breaking.
I can't stop laughing.
So I think we're going to end this challenge on this note. Yeah. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comment section below if you like it or you have any more suggestions for us. We'd love to read them. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to PopXO TV. Also India's biggest sale is here. Myntra's end of reason sale is going to start on the 24th of June and will go on till the 26th of June. You can get 50 to 80% discounts on your favorite brands. So make sure you install the Myntra app right now. We'll see you next time. Bye.